People say a man is made out of mud, but a poor man's made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood, skin and bones, with a mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You load 16 tons, and what do you get? You get another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. Well, I was born one morning when it's drizzling rain. Fighting and trouble is my middle name. One fist is iron and the other one is steel. If the right one don't get you, the left one will. You load 16 tons, and what do you get? You get another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. Well, I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked through the mines. I loaded 16 tons of number 9 coal, and the straw boss hollered, well, bless my soul, he loaded 16 tons. And what do you get? You get another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked through the mines, 'cause I was raised in a canebrake by an old mama line. Ain't no high-toned woman make me walk the line. You load 16 tons, and what do you get? You get another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store.
I'm just an old coal miner and I labor for my bread. This story in my memory I've here told, for the sake of wife and baby, how a miner risks his life for the price of just a little lump of coal. Don't forget me, little darling, when they lay me down to rest. Tell my brothers all these loving words I say. Let the flowers be forgotten, sprinkle coal dust on my grave, in remembrance of the UMWA. Mother Jones is not forgotten by the miners of this field. She's gone to rest above, God bless her soul. Tried to lead the boys to victory, but was punished here in jail for the price of just a little lump of coal. When a miner in the morning gets his car up to the face, he'll set some timbers, then he'll bore himself a hole. He'll get a shot of powder, get his battery and his line. He's shooting down that little lump of coal. When a man has toiled and labored till his life it's almost gone, then the operator thinks he's just a fool. They sneak around and fire him just because he's growing old, and swear they caught him breaking company rules. Don't forget me, little darling, when they lay me down to rest. Tell my brothers all the loving words I say. Let the flowers be forgotten, sprinkle coal dust on my grave, in remembrance of the UMWA.
It's a working man I am, and I've been down underground, and I swear to God, if I ever see the sun, or for any length of time, I can hold it in my mind. I never again will go down underground. At the age of 16 years, with my father close to tears, as he vowed never again to send his son to the dark recess of the mines, where you age before your time, and the coal dust lies heavy on your lungs. It's a working man I am, and I've been down underground, and I swear to God, if I ever see the sun, or for any length of time, I can hold it in my mind. I never again will go down underground. At the age of 65, I pray to God I'm still alive, and the wheels above the mines no longer wind, and they finally close the hole where for years we clawed for coal, and never again